Hi, my name is Adam Funk, and I'm an attorney in Houston, Texas, who specializes in birth injury lawsuits. Today, I want to talk to you about a birth injury settlement and what exactly it covers. As you may have already read, birth injury settlements can be huge amounts, millions of dollars. That huge amount, though, is not just a lump sum check that goes to the family. Instead, it is a lifetime of care for your child. Think of it more as an infrastructure, an annuity that goes into play so that your child's lifetime needs are taken care of in places where our health insurance coverage lacks. For example, a birth injury settlement covers various topics. First, it will cover all of the medical issues that your child is dealing with. Appointments with the doctors, surgeries, hospitalizations, anything that might end up coming up during your child's lifetime because of his or her injuries due to the birth trauma will be covered in a birth injury settlement. Another topic that will be covered by a birth injury settlement are therapies, occupational therapy, physical therapy, speech therapy. All of these multiple times a week cost a lot of money. And these are things that are early interventions that can absolutely make significant impact in the improvement of your child. Another topic that a birth injury settlement can cover are home modifications. If your child is requiring a wheelchair and your home is a 2-story home without any bedrooms upstairs, or for example, if you live in an apartment that does not have any ramps, home modifications can be made in order to allow your child to live his or her best possible life. Another thing that birth injury settlements will cover is medical equipment. Your child might need, like I mentioned, a wheelchair or orthotics or a cane. All of these would be covered by a birth injury settlement. Another topic would be assistance at home. For example, if you and or your partner are working and you don't have the time to sit down with your child and give 24/7 assistance, then a nursing assistant might be necessary, and a birth injury settlement would be able to cover that cost. Other topics that a birth injury settlement will cover are family issues, such as therapies for the family, for the parents, vacations to allow your child to live the best possible life that a well-nourished child might get. And in addition, any type of education services that your family needs. It's not easy to have a special needs child and not know what to do. So getting that education is extremely important and would be covered by a birth injury settlement. My name is Adam Funk. I'm a birth injury specialist lawyer. And if you have questions about a birth injury settlement and what it covers, please give me a call.